It's about being real. It's about being human. And that requires enormous courage. Part of the experience is the recognition that we're not all good. We're both flowers and thorns. Embracing those parts that are so split and so judged is in fact a doorway to the love itself. And through that, the light is born. Each person is really supported and guided to come home to their true self. To come to a place where they feel at home, where they feel like, yes, I am here, I am me, and I'm meant to be here, and I know deeply what my purpose is. I know who I am underneath my personality, underneath all the things that I think I am. I know something much deeper. So really the path of love is about fulfilling at the deepest level our human potential, and knowing who we are, who I am, and why I'm here. And then something begins to open that I can stand in, that is true and that I trust. And it's nothing about what I do or where I come from or who my parents are. At this point, it's about just being right here, human being, present, very alive, and very vulnerable. And to reach that place moment by moment is what the path of love is, and what each person can take with them into their lives, so they can be authentic and true, and people can feel safe with them, people can trust them, but most of all, I can trust myself. And in that, I'm in touch with something much, much bigger than this little conditioned person called Alima. I'm in touch with what makes the trees grow and the birds fly. And that is something that doesn't die. That is something that rests in my heart, that is always here.